So first lie down on your mat. We'll take both the legs up. Hold your toes with the 3 fingers of each hand and very slowly open the legs out in a V shape as much as you can. Don't force it right away. Keep your head down, chin down. Now as you inhale and exhale, slowly keep pushing the legs apart, bending your elbows towards the ground, rotate the thighs outwards and try to bring the toes towards the shoulder and towards the ground. Feel the inner thigh muscles, tighten the legs, tighten the kneecaps, keep breathing, don't hold your breath. Keep your chin down towards the chest. Open up the legs as much as possible. Elbows bent and stay there. Keep tightening with each exhale. Tighten the kneecap. With each inhale, push the toes to pull the toes slightly towards the ground. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly bring the legs back, bend your knees and legs down. Now stretch out your left leg and take the right leg at 90 degrees and hold it again with the first 3 fingers. Hold the big toe with the first 3 fingers. Just keep pressing the left leg on the ground, straighten the right leg, straighten the right arm and tighten the right kneecap, hold it. 10, 9, 8, 7. If you have to use your belt, please feel free to use it. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and same leg, just drop it to the side. Take the left hand to the left side, slightly turn your head to the left. Keep the leg straight, keep the right arm straight. Keep pulling the toes towards the shoulder and trying to drop the leg towards the ground. Keep the leg straight, tighten the kneecap and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly bring the leg back, drop the right leg. Now take the left leg up 90 degrees, hold it with your left 3 fingers and straighten the left leg, straighten the left arm, press the right leg on the mat, chin down and stay there. Keep tightening the left leg, tighten the left arm and hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Same leg, drop it to the left side, holding the big toe, turn your head slightly to the right, right hand to the side, pull the toes towards your shoulder. Try to keep dropping the leg on the ground. Keep the leg straight. Keep the left arm straight. It's okay if you don't touch the ground, but straighten the leg, straighten the arm. Try to press the right leg on the mat and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Bring it back to center and slowly drop your left leg down. Now inhale and take both the hands behind your head, legs in Baddha Konasana. Press the heels and outer edge together. Pull your knees open and press it towards the ground. Don't arch your back too much. Try to keep your spine on the mat. Push the knees open. Keep pushing the knees down towards the mat. Feel the groin region and the inner thighs. Stretch the hands behind you. Keep breathing and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly turn from your right side and sit up. Now let's, if you want, use your blanket, fold it in 4. Fold your blanket in 4 and sit on your blanket. Sit on the blanket. If you have a knee pain, just do Sukhasana. Otherwise, if you can, fold your left leg on the ground and try to take the right foot on the left knee and drop the right knee towards the ground. You're forming a triangle shape with your legs. If it's very difficult, just sit in Sukhasana like this. Otherwise, left leg is on the ground and try to get the right heel or the right foot on the left knee and drop the right knee towards the ground as much as possible. Keep pushing the knee down, back straight, keep breathing and hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly release. Stretch the legs out, shake the knees out a little bit. Do the same thing on the other side. Right knee is down now, right leg is folded down first. If you want, you can just sit like this in Sukhasana and push the knees down. Otherwise, if you can, take the left foot, keep turning the lower part of the leg and the thigh outwards. Try to take the left heel or the left foot on the right knee and push the left knee to the ground, back straight, keep feeling your hips and hold it there. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly release. Shake the legs out. Let's repeat that one more time. Keep the left leg down. Take the right leg on the left knee or the right heel. Keep the right lower leg on top of the left lower leg and drop the right knee down towards the ground. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is to loosen up your hip flexors. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly straighten the legs out and release. Again, same thing on the right side. First keep the right leg on the ground. Bend your left knee and fold the left lower leg on top of the right lower leg, keeping the left heel or the left foot completely on the right knee. Press the left knee to the ground. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly straighten the legs out, shake it out and come out of your blanket. You can move the blanket to the side. Come to Adho Mukha Svanasana on your mat. Feet together. Push the hips back, straighten the arms completely. Inhale, keep the left heel down, just take the right leg straight up, all the way up. Exhale, bring the right leg to the front, Ekapada Prasanasana, and straighten both the legs. Left foot turning to the side, right hand on the right ankle, Trikonasana, left hand on the hip. Open your body out to the side, push the head and shoulders back, chest pushed back, tighten both the legs, straighten up, and when you're ready, left hand up to the ceiling, look up at the left hand, hold the right ankle firmly, keep pressing the inner edge of the right foot, outer edge of the left foot, push the left hip back, right hip forward, stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and from the left hand on the hip, bend your right leg, Ardha Chandrasana, take the right hand in line with the small toe of the right foot slightly to the front. On your fingertips, bring the left leg closer and slowly come up there. Straighten the left leg, turn the body to the side. Slowly try to straighten both the legs. Just look in front of you. When you're steady, take your left hand up to the ceiling and hold it there. Tighten the left leg, tighten the right leg, head back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly drop the left leg. Go back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Feet together, hips pushed back. Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Last time, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Now inhale, press the right heel, take the left leg straight up to the ceiling. Exhale, bring the left foot in the center. Ekapada Prasanasana. Hold the left ankle, straighten both the legs. Trikonasana on the left side. Right hand on the right hip. Push the head and shoulder back. Right hip back, left hip forward. Inhale and take the right hand up to the ceiling. Look at your right hand. Press the outer edge of the right foot firmly. Press the inner edge of the left foot firmly. Keep breathing and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Bring the right hand on the right hip and slowly bend the right knee. Take the left hand half a foot in front of the left foot in line with the small toe. Bring the right leg closer. Come up to Ardha Chandrasana on the left leg. Open up to the side. Tighten both the legs. Slowly straighten your right leg. Straighten the left leg. When you're stable, when you have the balance, take the right hand up and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly drop the right leg back. Come to Adho Mukha, Urdhva Mukha. Push the hip forward and down. Adho Mukha, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, and Shashankasana. Few seconds. Just take a break. Drop down, forehead down, relax, catch your breath, and stay there. Slowly come back to Adho Mukha. Inhale, take the right leg in the center of both the hands. Turn to the side, Prasarita Padottanasana, both the toes facing inwards, heels facing outwards. Keep your hands in line with the toes. Spread the fingers, press the palm. Now first straighten the arms, lift the head up, push the hips back. Tighten the legs nicely, especially outer edge. Pull the head forward. Inhale, and on the exhale, slowly drop your head, top of your head towards the mat. It's okay if it doesn't touch. With each exhale, keep going down a little lower. Legs are tight, hips pushed up to the ceiling. Drop the head between the hands. Bend your elbows, pointing backwards. Tighten the legs, push it outwards. And stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and slowly bend your knees and come up. Don't move the feet closer. Inhale, on the exhale, turn the right foot to face the front, left foot also facing the same direction. Hands on either side of the right foot. Inhale, lift the back up. On the exhale, Parshvottanasana, press the palms down and pull your forehead towards your shin. Push the right hip back, pull the forehead towards the shin. Keep tightening both the legs, press the heels down, outer edge of the left foot, inner edge of the right foot. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly from there, turn around towards the left leg, left foot facing the front, right foot also same direction. Stay on your fingertips either side of the left foot. Inhale, pull the spine forward. On the exhale, press your palms down, drop your head towards the shin. Keep pushing the left hip back. Press both the heels down, tighten both the legs, straighten completely both the legs, and Parshvottanasana, left leg, stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly inhale up, come back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Right leg goes back, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Last round, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Now inhale and bring your right foot outside the right hand to a lunge position. Bend the right knee. You can drop the left knee on the mat. Now from here, inhale, pull the spine forward. You can turn the toes out on the left foot and get both elbows to the ground. Pull your head forward. Keep the right knee near the right shoulder. Keep pressing both the elbows down. Pull the left hip forward. Keep pushing your head forward and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you can't reach the elbows, use your 4-fold blanket and keep both the elbows on them. 7, 8, 9 and 10. Same leg, Kapotasana. Just bring the blanket under the right buttock. Take the right leg in front, parallel to the front of the mat. Both hands in front, inhale. On the exhale, hands extending forward, drop your forehead to the ground. Left leg straight behind you. Left hip pulling towards the right heel. Try and drop your forehead as much as possible and stay there. 1, 2, 3. You can use the blanket, folded blanket under your right buttock. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly come back to Adho Mukha. Again, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Last round, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Inhale and take the left foot outside the left hand. Drop the right knee. Again, if you want, you can use the blanket in front. Inhale, turn the toes out on the right foot, pull the back forward, pull the right hip forward, both elbows on the blanket, pull your head forward and keep breathing and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly come up. Stay in the same position. Take the blanket under your left buttock. Fold the left leg in front. Your left lower leg parallel to the front of the mat. Keep your left buttock on the blanket. Turn the right hip. Hands in front. Inhale up. Exhale. Bending forward. Try to get your forehead on the ground. And stay there. Pigeon pose. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly come back to Adho Mukha. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Last round, Urdhva Mukha. Stay in Urdhva Mukha. You can lift your knees off the mat, press the hip down, chest up, hold. And Adho Mukha. Knees down, relax. You try to go for Hanumanasana. Fold your mat like this. Now use your blanket in front of you. If you have blocks, you can use the blocks. Use the blanket in front of you. Keep your right foot or right heel on the blanket in front of you. Hands on either side. And slowly you try to push the right leg. Let the left leg stay bent behind you. Just try to straighten the right leg in front of you. Just like that. And pull it back. About 4 to 5 times. Straighten the right leg. Pull it back. Straighten the right leg. Lift the chest up. Keep the left thigh facing the ground. And pull it back. One more time. Straighten the right leg. Press the left thigh. Straighten the left leg behind you. And pull it back. One last time. Right leg out in front. Keep your hands down if you can. If you need another blanket or pillow under your right thigh, go ahead and keep it there. Don't overstretch. Press the right thigh on that pillow. And straighten the left leg as much as possible. Lift the chest up, hands on either side, and hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly bending the right knee, pull the blanket back and change the leg. Keep the right knee on the mat, folded mat. Take your left leg on top of the blanket. Now we'll do the same thing 4 to 5 times. Just push the left heel forward and straighten out the left leg all the way in front. Start. 1. Your right thigh is facing the mat. And back. Push little more each time. 2. And back. 3. And back. 4 and back. This time we'll go there and try to stay there. If you have a pillow or another blanket rolled up, keep it under your thigh, under the left thigh. Inhale, push the left leg forward all the way in front as much as possible. Keep the brick or the blanket or the pillow under the left thigh. Turn the right thigh, right hip to face the ground, fingertips on either side. Lift the chest up and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly pull the leg back and release. From there, sit in Baddha Konasana. Heels together, knees open. Get your hands under the feet. First, just straighten the back. Push the knees open, back straight. Hold it there. Keep pushing the knees open. Relax the hips. Keep straightening your back. You can open the feet out using your thumbs. Press the outer edge and the heels together. Back straight. Keep breathing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. From here, keep the legs straight in front of you. Release the knees. We'll do one twisting position, Vakrasana. Bend the right knee, back straight. Inhale, right hand behind you. Stretch the left hand up. Take it outside the right knee. Hold your ankle or your right foot or your right big toe if you can. Twist nicely behind you to the right side. Pull the stomach, squeeze it. Look over your right shoulder and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly release. Straighten out the right leg. Bend the left knee. Again, hands around the left knee. Straighten the back up. Inhale. Take the left hand behind you. Right hand straight up. Pull the body to the left side. Right elbow outside the left knee. Hold your ankle. Squeeze your stomach. Pull it out. And turn over. Look at over your left shoulder. Right toes up. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly release. From there, just take your legs wide open as much as possible. Upavishta Konasana. Slowly. Toes facing up, legs are straight. Straighten your back first. You're going to inhale, take the left hand up first, stretch it near your ear, inhale all the way up. On the exhale, bend towards the left leg, try to get your elbow inside the left knee, hold your left foot from the outside, right hand on the hip, just twist your body to the ceiling first. Look open, right shoulder back, left shoulder pulling forward, straighten up the right leg, toes should not fall down. Look up at the ceiling, keep twisting over there. Keep breathing. This much if you can do, that's more than enough. Feel the stretch right through the right side. Keep lengthening the left side as well. Now inhale, straighten the right arm over the right ear. Take it behind the ear, try to reach for your toes. At the same time, back of your head turning towards the left knee. Take the head under the right arm, look up at the ceiling. Keep breathing, press the right buttock down. Straighten up the right leg and hold. Take at least 3 breaths over there. Inhale, slow exhale. And slowly come up. Back straight, legs are out. Tighten the legs. This time inhale, right hand up near your right ear. Exhale, twist the body towards the left side, reach towards the right leg, elbow on the inside of the right knee, hold the right foot, left hand on the left hip, turn the body nicely to the side, straighten the legs, look up at the ceiling, back of your head is facing the right knee. Keep twisting the body, keep straightening the legs. Now inhale, straighten the left arm behind the left ear. Keep looking up at the ceiling and slowly try to reach your toes, otherwise just straighten the arm and stay there. Take the head under the arm. Keep twisting, pulling the right shoulder forward, left shoulder back. Straighten both your legs. Keep breathing as you stay there. Lengthen both the sides of the body. Observe the legs, observe the hips. Take 3 breaths. Slow exhale. Inhale and come. Once more, hands beside your hips, just pushing the hips forward a little bit more. Maybe your legs will open out another half an inch. Both hands up. Inhale. On the exhale, turn the toes out, straighten the legs, bend forward, fingertips moving forward, and try to drop. Keep the back straight, don't tuck your chin in. Push the fingers forward and try to drop your forehead to the ground or chest on the ground. Upavishta Konasana. Tighten your legs, back of your legs must be on the ground, toes up. Keep breathing as you stay there. And slowly walk your hands back. Inhale up. Exhale, hands down. Bend your knees there and slowly bring your legs together. Let us lie down on the mat. Lie down on your mat. Knees and feet slightly apart, hip distance apart. Hands by your side. Inhale and drop both the knees to the right side. Turn your head completely to the left side. Drop the right knee nicely on the ground. If your left knee can touch the ground, that's very good. Keep pushing the left knee away from the body. Keep breathing and stay there. Inhale, come back center. Exhale, drop it to the left side. Turn your head completely to the right. Right knee rest trying to touch the ground. Left knee resting on the ground. Push the right knee away from the body. Keep breathing. Feel your hip. And slowly come back to center. Straighten your legs out there. Palms facing up. Feet wide. Keep your chin down. Close your eyes. We go straight to Shavasana. Relax the whole body. Lips are gently closed. Eyes rolled back. Keeping your gaze behind the forehead. Keep watching your breath. With each exhale, relax the body into the ground. Scan the back of your right leg, back of your left leg, back of your hips, lower back, middle back, upper back, right side of the body, left side of the body, back of the shoulders, right shoulder, left shoulder, the whole back of the right arm, whole back of the left arm, back of your neck, back of your head. Observe the whole back of your body in contact with the mat, with the ground. Completely relaxed. Now bring your awareness to the front of your body. Top of the foot, right foot, left foot. Front of the whole right leg. Front of the whole left leg. Lower abdomen and the hip region, right hip, left hip, stomach region around the navel, the chest region, right side of the rib cage, left side of the rib cage, the region below the neck, front of the neck, front of the right shoulder, whole front of the right arm, right palm and all the 5 fingers, front of the left shoulder, whole left arm, left palm, left fingers, tip of the chin, lips gently closed, touching each other. Tip of the nose, eyelids, right eyebrow, left eyebrow, right side of the face, right cheek, left side of the face, left cheek, face completely relaxed, eyes rolled back, no wrinkles on the forehead, forehead completely relaxed. The whole scalp region, whole skull and top of the head, the most important part where the Sahasrara chakra is. Relax the whole front of the body. With each exhale, feel the weight of your body sinking into the ground. Just follow your breath as you inhale and exhale.